Oh, good. I wish we had more of these. Oh, hey there. I didn't notice you were here. So basically, I saw you guys that Toka Boca Cotton is getting out content, sorry about that, is getting a lot more viral on other YouTube channels. So I just wanted to see if you guys like Toka Boca a bit more since I have it downloaded and I have a couple packs. So also don't mind the house. It's like really bad. Like this only took me about like 20 minutes and like I speed running this so fast just for this video. So I just wanted to see if you guys would like some Toka Boca content since sorry about that, since I like Toka Boca too, and I just thought we should try something new. And so also credit to this girl. In today's video I want to do like a toxic boyfriend content. Basically, in today's video, it's gonna be part 1. So basically, I got this I got this idea from this girl. Credit to her. She did it, and then she got credit from another girl, but I don't know which girl it was. So I just got I got credit from her. So if you guys want to see the original version, go to her YouTube channel and just watch it if you don't like this video. So anyways, in today's video, I'll be just doing some talk to your boyfriend and touring you around the house. And also, I just wanted to show you guys, I have one brother and one little sister. And I also have 2 parents that live with me and myself. So right now, in this show, I'm only 13/14 years old. And so I'm about to turn 14, but not in real life though. But this is for the role play. So basically, I'm gonna go to my room right now. Don't mind the rat in the elevator. And this is my mom. She's in her pajamas right now, so don't like mind. But on the 2nd floor, I'm still remodeling. So yep. Okay, don't mind the doorbell. I still need to fix it. So I have like a lot of pets, like a guinea pig, cause I have guinea pigs in real life. A lot of cats, and this is my mom's suit. I'm about to give it to her. So, 1 second. Wait. No, I do not like this outfit. I'm gonna just throw it away and get it later. Okay, anyways, we're gonna start from the night. Also, don't mind the basket. It's like it was here for some reason, but just don't mind. The roleplay starts. I'm so, cause school starts tomorrow, and I guess I'm good to sleep. I should text my boyfriend first, though. Also, guys, don't mind the 2 phones. I don't know why I have 2, but anyways, just letting you know, I also have an Apple Pencil. So if you hear clicking, sorry about that. I'm just gonna use my buddy one. Okay, I turned it on. Hey, babe. Hey. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Okay, but don't forget to come to school early, okay? Okay, jeez. I'm just reminding you, because last time you were so late. Okay, chill. Goodbye. Hangs up. Oh, sometimes he could be so annoying. Can I put my phone down? Because my mom wants me to go early to sleep. So first, I have like a pimple on my face. So let me put some eye patches on. My room is always a mess because my friends come over. Gotta put my headband. Okay, my wallet is down here. Wait. Okay, gonna put some patches. I'm gonna spray some Eau de Janeiro because I don't like going to bed stinky. Okay. Just gotta. Oh, I can't get this. Okay, here. Gotta take off my headband. Also, the headband's custom made, so yeah. Not too big though. Okay, here. Put to sleep. Oh, what is that? Oh, hey, Peanut. Glad you woke me up. Okay, I gotta get ready for bed. Oh, my boyfriend's calling me. He's gonna climb up here. Gotta wait a sec. Gotta grab my phone. Climb down. Okay, here. Okay. Oh my god, are you awake yet? Yeah. Okay, get ready faster. You're gonna be late. You don't even like school though. Yeah, but I don't want to be late. Okay, we'll get ready in a second. Faster. Okay, jeez. Hangs up. Okay, gotta put my phone back up there. Here, get Peanut. Go to sleep. So thirsty. Oh, wait, what? Oh, there. Okay, gotta do my skincare. Oh, good. My pimples are gone. Okay, for today's outfit, I'm probably gonna wear. Wait. Oh my god, I can't get myself off. Okay. I'm gonna probably wear. I don't know about this outfit. What about this outfit? Here. I don't know about this one. Well, I'm definitely not wearing my school uniform, because if you wear your school uniform, you're lame. Don't take this personally, by the way, so yeah. Okay, I'll just go with the other outfit. Just gonna put my pajamas on. I'm gonna go do my skincare. So de Janeiro. Okay. But I don't. I think my mom took my skincare, but oh well. I don't really care. Okay. Drink. Okay, I'm gonna choose a backpack. So these are the options. I got a lot for Christmas and stuff, so I have a lot. Okay, so I don't want the watermelon one or a woolly backpack. This is for Jem. It's just my pillowcase. Stanley. Not this one. No. Perfect. I like this one. It's a little keychain. Can't find my vape. Just letting you know, guys, this my character vapes, and don't actually take this personally in life though. But I don't vape, but my character does. So. Yeah, I can't find my vape. What the heck? Did my mom take it? Oh no. If she found it, she's gonna be so mad at me. I'm freaking out. Where is it? Bro, pick up. Huh? Pick up. Oh, that's my phone. It's good. Hello? When are you gonna get here? Dude, we still have like an hour of school until school starts. I need to eat breakfast and brush my teeth. I don't really care about your needs, but like, you need to get ready faster. Okay, jeez. Get ready faster. Okay. Geez, sometimes I literally hate him. Just gonna open my back of my phone in there. I'm gonna leave this here. And I'm gonna go eat breakfast. Okay, I'm downstairs. The post girl comes. Okay, here are their packages. Here, just gonna do it a bit more. Here, like that. Who could be calling? Oh wait, I think I might know what it is. Oh wait, I didn't order anything this month. Never mind. I wonder what it is. I hope it's mine. The mom. Boxes? I never ordered any boxes. Oh yeah, this. Hello. Hey, took you a while to get at the door. What? Nothing. Here are your boxes. And thank you. And can you sign this, please? Of course. Here, I'll just put them down. Here, just give me the paper. Just sign. Sign it more. There. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Goodbye. Plus girl leaves. Okay. What is this? Oh wait, I remember. This is the present for Sweetie's birthday. For Jessie's birthday. Yeah, I'll just go give it to her because I couldn't be visiting. Hey, sweetie. Hi, Mom. What was in the mail? Oh, well, basically, you know how I can't visit your birthday because I'm going to my job visit in France? Yeah. I got you some presents. Here you go. Oh, thank you, Mom. What could it be? Just open up. Okay. Ooh, what is that? Okay, here, I'll just throw away the garbage. What is this? Just open up. Okay. It's the stand on Amazon. Mom, I asked for the pink one. And also, this is a dupe. Oh. Just open the second one. Okay, thank you, I guess. It's the pumpkin one. Oh my god, thank you, Mom, so much. It has like the little pumpkin on it. Thank you so much. I love you. You're welcome, sweetie. Thank you so much. Okay. I think I should bring this to school. Sure if you want though, but are you sure it's not gonna be like heavy or something? No, it's okay. Can you fill it up for me, please? Sure, I'll take it. Okay, thank you. I'll just keep the cases. They're super cute. Okay. Oh, hey, Rocky. Are your legs doing okay? Okay, good. There you go. Here, I'll drop you a toy. There you go. Oh, there's my vape. I found it. It's a glow one. I better hide this. I'm just gonna, where do I put this? Here, I'll just put it right here. No, wait. The heck? What is it landing on? It's not letting me put it on. Oh, it's not letting me put it in. I can't put it in. Does it fit? Here, I'll just put it behind the purse. Okay. Here. It's fine. I'll just cover it with the toy. Hey, Mom. Hey. Just gonna fill this up. Do you want anything else except water or like Pepsi in there? No, I'm okay. Okay. Let's go close that. Here is your water. Thank you, Mom. What's for breakfast? I didn't cook breakfast because I was about to go to work, but I guess I can cook it for you. Okay, thank you. After breakfast. Thank you, Mom, for the breakfast. It was really good. You're welcome, sweetie, but don't forget to grab your lunchbox. Here, I'll pack you this in it. Thank you, Mom. Okay, guys, don't mind. I couldn't find a better lunchbox than this, so sorry. Here, I'll just put it in here. Here's a juice box also, and a little sweet treat. Here you go. Thank you, Mom, so much. Bye, sweetie. Bye. During breakfast. Oh my god, where's this girl at? I'm literally about to rage. $15 missed calls. Okay, I'm back. Just gotta go right here. I'll just put my stand in the back. Okay, my lunchbox. And okay, here's my phone. 15 missed calls from boyfriend. Oh my god. I have 15 missed calls from Ryan. Oh my god. What do I do? I don't know. Should I call back? Should I just leave it there? I don't know. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay, I'm just gonna go to school. Okay. I'm leaving. Oh my god, does this girl like cannot answer or something? So annoying. I'm so late. Okay. Hey babe, where have you been? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I literally called you like 20 times. Actually, you only called me like 15. Oh my god, it doesn't matter, you little fatty. Why is it taking you so slow? Bro, chill. It's literally school starts in like 30 minutes. Yeah, and that's why I wanted to be here. Oh my god, these stupid bubbles are so annoying. Turn them around. Oh my god, so annoying. Ugh. Okay. I mean, I like the bubbles. I didn't ask you, okay? Shut up. Did you get me, like, a covered chocolate banana? No. Why would I get you that? 'Cause I'm your girlfriend? It doesn't matter if you're my girlfriend. Shut up. Okay, chill. What did I do to you? Here, I guess I'll just buy it one myself. Hello, man. What can I get you? Can I just please get one pink colored banana with strawberries? Yes, of course, ma'am. Here, let me just get out. There. Here you go. Thank you. Thank you so much. Uh-huh. This looks really good. See, that wasn't too hard to get one. Okay. Can you, like, stop getting mad at me? Can I stop being mad at you for you being a fatty, being slow, and also almost being late? Bro, we have 20 minutes until school. Can you chill? No, because I wanted to hang out with you. Oh, really? No, you ding dong. That's really good. Oh my god, why is she so annoying? Just gonna go here. Just gonna go sit over here. Oh, is this cotton candy? This is so good. Yeah, just get over here. And that was really good. And you didn't save me any? I just found it. Also, stop holding my hand. Ugh, I don't know, I want to hold your hand. I'm not trying to. Oh my god, you're so annoying. Oh my god. Can you stop being so mean to me? Like, I'm about to start crying. Oh my god, stop being such a crybaby. Why do you keep on yelling at me? Why are you so rude to me? Oh my god, I can't believe you're so mean to me all the time. Oh, you're just so annoying. 1 second, wait here. Oh, sorry. Oh, my girlfriend's so annoying. Like, I don't even want to hang out at this point. I'm just gonna start using her. Like, ugh. What is this? Just gonna come back. Look what I found. What is that? I just found this. Like, what is this? Is this like a sweep or something? Okay, guys, just letting you know, I'm not the one confused. That's the characters, but, what is this? I don't know. Why are you asking me? 'Cause you're a nerd? I'm not a nerd. Yes, you are. So, what is this? I don't know. Oh my god. Bong. Oh, I did not mean to hit you. Are you okay? I do not feel good. I'm about to pass out. Oh no, what have I done? Oh, wait a second. I was kind of just using her, so I don't really care. I guess I could just take this to my, let's see, to my advantage. Let's see. Oh my god. Ugh. I do not feel good. I have an idea. Babe, come here, you could just rest. Where are we going? I don't see anything. My eyes hurt. Just chill, it's okay. It's good. What is that sound? Don't mind the sound. Okay. Closer up, look, push. Ah! Oh, what is this? I don't see anything. Oh my god. I can't breathe. It's so cold in here. I can't do anything. But the button actually pushed me in. Why was I waiting for this? Is the circle? Oh my god! After 2 minutes, I can't breathe. Finally got rid of that annoying person. Just gonna put this down there. Sir, what are you doing on board? This is only for fishing people. Nothing. I have to take you immediately to board. I can't understand you. Sure. Okay. Where did also your girlfriend went or whatever? About that. Sir, can you like speak clearly, please? I do not understand you. Nothing. Nothing. But where'd she go? Nothing. Nowhere. 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 Okay. In the meantime, what's this human doing here? Oh, I don't think so. She's okay. I'll just help her. Here, come on, go up. Come on. Just gonna put you right here. There. I'll just do a jump for you. Oh, I can breathe. I'm gonna throw up. I have so much salt water in my mouth. Oh, who pushed me in? Where am I? Oh, hello. Oh, wait. Okay. Oh. Hey, seals, can you, like, help me? I don't think I can get help from you. Where's it going? In the process. Oh, gee, thank you. I can actually get help with this. Let's see, let me pet you. Here, I'll just... Here, wait. Just gonna do it and just... Someone help! I'm right here. Someone. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's just go back to board. Wait a second. What is that in the far distance? Just gonna grab the little boat. I see something. Throw. Oh, somebody do this. Okay, I think I have to jump in there. Oh, okay. There. Sir, that's your girlfriend. I can see her. No, dude, what are you talking about? I don't have a girlfriend. Yes you do. She's literally right there. Oh my God. I have to go swim over there. Just gonna grab this real quick. Like, right there. Okay. Swimming. Ma'am, are you okay? Here, I'll just put a little there, right there. Yeah, I'm okay, I guess. I don't feel good. Okay, gotta put this back. Okay, it's good. Okay, turn that off for me. Thank you. Okay, here, just come in the boat. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, accidentally do that in here. Okay. Jesse? Why would you do that? Literally, what's wrong with you? Didn't mean to, okay? You didn't mean to throw me in there? Are you kidding me? Ooh, drama. Literally, I cannot believe you would do that to me. You're such a worst boyfriend. We're literally breaking up. And don't ever call me ever again. You cannot do that to me. Yes, I can. You can't hold me hostage anyway. And also, this whole entire time, you've been yelling at me. And I have proved this whole entire time. Because when you left the room, I've been pressing record this whole entire button so that you wouldn't hear it. Ooh. And you need to shut up, but thank you for saving me. Oh, my bad. Literally, we're breaking up. Like, no but. Bro. We're breaking up. Period. Slaveful. Period. And so, period, we're breaking up. But you're the only thing I have. No, you're gonna have to get a new one if you want one so bad. Fine. Also, sir, you're kind of, banned from this place. Excuse me, what did you just say? You're banned from this place. How? You literally pushed off a person off the ship. You guys both aren't allowed to be here. I'm bringing you guys back to shore. Oh my God, this is the worst day ever. For me. Oh my God, I literally hate this dude so much. Okay, guys, get off. Okay. So freaking annoying. Don't ever come back to me. Don't even want to speak to you anymore. Babe, please take me back. No, you little piece of freaking beef jerky. You little piece of brownie. Literally, I can't believe you're actually literally just pushed me in. It's just not my problem. Bro, It is your problem. You pushed me in. 5 more minutes of active arguing. Okay, I'm just done with you. Goodbye. I don't really care at this point. My life is ruined. Hey, man. What do you want? Just got broken up with. You're banned. You're bad. You, it's, bye. Why does everybody hate me in this world? Like, I didn't know I deserved this. I'm so done with this. And so guys, that's going to be all for today. Thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what your favorite part was. And also comment down below if you want more Turkey content. Bye. I love you, baddies.